Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today we're diving into one of the hottest trends on YouTube right now, YouTube Shorts. If you haven't heard about them yet, you're in for a treat. YouTube Shorts are short, vertical videos that are designed to be quick, engaging, and easily consumable. They are perfect for today's fast-paced world where everyone is looking for quick entertainment. YouTube Shorts are taking the internet by storm, and for good reason. These bite-sized videos are not only fun to watch but also incredibly easy to create. In just 60 seconds or less, creators can captivate their audience with engaging, vertical videos. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Shorts offer a fantastic way to reach new viewers. But what makes Shorts so special? Why are they becoming so popular so quickly? Since its launch, YouTube Shorts has seen explosive growth, crossing 70 billion daily views in February 2024 alone. This rapid rise in popularity is a testament to how much people love these quick, engaging videos. It's the perfect platform for quick entertainment, tutorials, and viral content. Whether you're looking to share a funny moment, a quick tip, or a creative idea, Shorts make it easy to connect with your audience. From hilarious skits to quick DIY hacks, Shorts are perfect for creators who want to make an impact fast. The short format encourages creativity and spontaneity, making it a playground for innovative ideas. Plus, with YouTube's powerful algorithm, your shorts can reach a wider audience than ever before. The algorithm is designed to promote content that is engaging and keeps viewers coming back for more. So, how can you get started with YouTube Shorts? It's easier than you might think. All you need is a smartphone and a creative idea. Here are a few tips to help you get started. First, keep it short and sweet. The best shorts are those that get to the point quickly and keep the viewer engaged from start to finish. Use catchy thumbnails to grab attention. A great thumbnail can make all the difference in whether someone decides to watch your video or scroll past it. Engage with your audience through comments and likes. Responding to comments and interacting with your viewers can help build a loyal community around your content. Ready to jump on the Shorts bandwagon? There's no better time than now to start creating your own shorts and sharing them with the world. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and see the amazing content you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trending content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And remember, the world of YouTube Shorts is just a tap away. Happy creating.